Question 25 is the last question on this paper. It's 5 marks. The question says PQRS is a square. PR is a diagonal of this square. P is the point with the coordinates 4 and 7. R is the point with the coordinates 8 and -5. Find an equation of the straight line that passes through points Q and S. That's a very nice question. Give your answer in the form AY equals BX plus C, where A and B and C are integers. This is a very good question. Now, to make you understand this, let's just draw a very strange looking square here. Let's say this is a square. Let's call this PQRS. Alright? So the diagonals meet up at a point where it's 90 degrees. They are perpendicular to each other. That's one thing we need to know. The other thing is, at this point of intersection, this part is equal to this part, and this part is equal to this part. So it's the midpoint. This is a midpoint. Now this should help you try to solve it. Now what I will do, I'll first find the equation of the line PR, or at least find the slope or the gradient of it. The gradient is the change of in y minus divided by the change of x. So y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. This is correct. You can also say y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It's both correct. Now what's y1 and y2? Let's call them. This is the first point and this is the second point. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So y1 is 7 minus y2 is minus 5, right? Divided by x1 is 4 minus x2 is 8. So it's 7 minus minus 5, which is 7 plus 5, which is 12. Divided by 4 minus 8, which is minus 4. So that gives you -3, isn't it? It's calculator allowed, so don't worry. You can just plug this in the calculator. Now again, to remind you, these are the diagonals. Now, if the slope of the first one is -3, the slope of the perpendicular is the negative reciprocal. So the slope of QS is equal to be the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3, and then add the negative, so it's just going to be positive. Did you know what I did? I took this number, I flipped it, so it's 1/3, and I then multiplied it by negative, so this is going to be positive. So the slope of QS is 1/3. Now we need to find a point that's QS comes through, which is the midpoint. Now how do we find the midpoint? If you have 2 points and you want to find the midpoint, you just add the x values and divide them by 2, and add the y values and divide them by 2. So the midpoint will be 4 plus 8 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. 7 plus -5 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. So we got the slope and we got a point, which is 6 and 1. If you have the slope and you have a point, can you write the equation of the line? Yes, we can. There are many ways to do that. I do prefer to use the slope in point to slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Let's plug in the values. Y, we just write it. y1 is the value of y in the point, which is 1, equals m is the slope, which is 1/3. X is this value of this of the point, so it's x. X1 is 6, I'm sorry. So that's it. Now what I will do is I'll multiply everything by 3. I don't like having denominators. So I'll just multiply here by 3. I'll multiply here by 3. This 3 will cancel that 3. So I'll have 3 times y, 3y. And 3 times 1 is minus 3 equals x minus 6. The question says write it in this form. Ay equals bx plus c. So we want y alone in one side. So I'll do plus 3. So I'll have 3y equals, I know you like this, the way I wrote equals, yeah, it's not easy, equals x minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. And that's your perfect 5 marks for this question. How was it really? Was it easy? Was it tricky? Do you think you can do it yourself? Alright, that's the end of this nice exam. This was 2025 PEBA. Thank you. Bye.